Hi, my name is Leslie and I'm here today with Jose and Mateo, and today we are going to be solving systems of linear equations using eliminations. Let's get started.
My name is Mateo Lopez, and then my problem is 2m minus 5n equals negative 6, and then 2m minus 7n equals negative 14. So what we gotta do is cancel the 2m's, which this is completely gone like this, and then we add 7n to negative 5, and then add the negative 6 and negative 14, and then you'll get 2n equals negative 20. Then you gotta divide 2 from both sides. So you gotta divide 2 from both sides, and then you'll get n equals negative 10. And then you gotta substitute the n into the equation, so like this. And then you gotta solve 2m plus 50 equals negative 6. So what you gotta do is subtract 50 from both sides, and then you'll get your answer. And then you have to divide 2 from both sides, which you'll get m equals negative 28. And then, so what I did, this is my answer, and then this is my equation. Alright guys, so this is my second problem. So over here we have x minus y equals 32. Then x plus y equals 16. So what we gotta do is, we gotta add x, and we're gonna add 16 and 32. But for y, we have to subtract it. So we have no y. So we add as 2x, and we add this, it's 48. So now we gotta divide 2 on both sides. So 2 divided by 2, it cancels it out. Boom, it's gone. 48 divided by 2 is 24, but we're not done yet. So 24 plus y equals 16. So now we gotta subtract 24 from both sides, and this is cancels it out. And this, we got negative 8. Then over here, we got 24 minus parentheses negative 8, and equals 32. So now on this, we gotta make it positive. So we got positive 8. So 24 plus 8 equals 32. So we add these, we got 32 equals 32. Thank you guys so much for watching, and now we move on to my partner.
My name is Jose, and today I will be showing you how to solve systems of linear equations using a word problem. So, Mr. Castillo wants to plan the homework that he will assign next winter break. He wants a minimum of 2 pieces of homework and 8 columns each. Solve the system of equations. Will he get what he wants? So, these are equations: 2h plus 3p equals 20, and negative 2h plus b equals 4. You subtract the 2h from this 2h, and then you add these and add these, which gets you 4p equals 24. You divide by 4, and you get p equals 6. Then you substitute the p into this equation, which is 2h plus 3 times 6 equals 20. You get 2h plus 18 equals 20, and then you subtract from both sides, and you get 2h equals 2. And then once you do that, you get h equals 1, and he does not get what he wants. He can only assign one piece of homework, and it's gonna have 6 problems.
Okay, so this is my second system of linear equations word problem with elimination. So
You wait until the end of the year to turn in all your missing assignments, and you want to know how many you can complete within a certain amount of time. Find out how many assignments you can complete X and how many hours it will remove from your afternoon Y. So for our equations, I have 7x plus 2y equals 24 and 8x plus 2y equals 30. For this equation, you turn everything into its opposite. So this turns negative x, this just is gone, and then this is negative 6. You remove negatives from both sides, which will get you x equals 6. And then you substitute the x into this equation. So 7 times 6 plus 2y equals 24, it gets you 42. And then you subtract from both sides, and 2y equals negative 18. You also divide 2 on both sides, and you get y equals 9. So you can complete 6 assignments, and it'll remove 9 hours from your afternoon.
Today we're going to be working on this problem. So right here we have negative 9x plus 3y equals 3. And then we also have negative 2x plus 3y equals 14. So right now we're just going to combine these two. So negative 9 and negative 2 are negative 11. And then for this 2, we're going to subtract them, which is negative 11. And then right now here, we divide both sides by negative 11, which we get 1. And then right here, moving on to this side, we're going to plug in the 1 to one of these equations, and one of those equations is going to be this one. So the equation that we're going to plug it into is negative 9x plus 3y equals 3. So we're going to plug in the x right here, and then from here, you do negative 9, and then plus 3y equals 3, and then you drop down the 9 to both sides, and then from there you do 3y equals 12. And then you divide both sides by 3, which then you get your answer, which is y equals 4. Okay, moving on to our next problem. So for this problem, we have negative 10x minus 7y equals 15, and then negative 10x minus 5y equals 5. So to solve this problem, what we try to do is that when you cross these out, these equal 0, and then with this equals negative 2y, and then this also equals 10 because when you add, or when you subtract these two, and subtract these two as well. So then we drop down the 2, the negative 2, which then we equal to negative 5. And then we move on to the next problem where we're going to substitute negative 5 into one of these problems. And one of the problems we're going to substitute it to is the first one right here. So negative 10x minus 7y equals 15. We're going to substitute this y to the y right here. So to show that, we're going to do negative 10x equals 7. Okay, so negative 10x minus 7 parentheses negative 5, that's where we plug it in and substitute it, equals 15. So then from there, we're going to also drop the other equation down. And then from there, you're going to do negative 35 and negative 35, and then this cross out, which then equals to negative 10x equals negative 20. And then these two close out. These two cross out, okay. These two eliminate, and then this will equal to 2.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed and you got a better understanding again of what linear equations with elimination is, and I hope you get to remember everything we did in the past year because this was very important and it'll probably be important for your next school year.
I hope you guys understand our math equations, and I'm very bad at explaining, like I said. I don't know why I keep repeating it, but I hope you learn something new from the math problems.
Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Yeah.